Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the ASUS TUF Gaming AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT OC Edition and the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7800 XT Gaming OC. We'll analyze their memory capacities, pricing, and cooling solutions to see which card stands out in performance and value. Let's get started. The ASUS TUF Gaming RX 7900 XT boasts a significant advantage with its 20 GB of GDDR6 memory, making it ideal for demanding gaming scenarios and high-resolution textures. In contrast, the Gigabyte RX 7800 XT, while still capable with 16 GB, may fall short in memory-intensive applications, especially at ultra settings. This difference in memory capacity can impact performance in the latest games, particularly those that require more VRAM for optimal performance. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS TUF Gaming RX 7900 XT is positioned as a premium offering at $1,154, reflecting its high-end specifications and performance capabilities. On the other hand, the Gigabyte RX 7800 XT is more budget-friendly at $549, providing a solid performance for gamers looking for value without breaking the bank. This price difference makes the RX 7800 XT a compelling choice for those who want good performance at a lower cost. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS TUF Gaming RX 7900 XT features advanced axial tech fans designed for optimal airflow and heat dissipation, ensuring the card remains cool under load. In comparison, the Gigabyte RX 7800 XT utilizes a WindForce cooling system with three 90mm fans, which also provides effective cooling, but may not match the efficiency of the TUF's design. Both cards are equipped to handle high performance, but the choice of cooling solution could influence thermal management during extended gaming. In conclusion, the ASUS TUF Gaming AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT offers superior memory capacity and cooling performance, making it a top choice for serious gamers willing to invest in high-end hardware. However, the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7800 XT presents a fantastic value proposition with solid performance at a much lower price point. Depending on your budget and gaming needs, either card could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.